Hello kids, welcome back. Today we will do addition using expanded form. Okay, so let us first of all revise expanded form. Expanded form we have done in our first chapter in place values. Suppose there is a number 326. 326. Now how you going to expand it? We are going to expand it like 300 plus 20 plus 6. So this is expanded form. Okay. Okay. Now let us take one more number. 1 4 1 4 3. Now expanding 143 we will get 100 plus 40 plus 3. 140 plus 3. Okay. Now let us move toward our today's topic. Okay. So addition with expanded form. Here we have to add two numbers, 362 and 535. 362 and 535. So first of all we will expand each of the number. See, 362 is expanded like 300 plus 60 plus 2, and 535 is expanded as 500 plus 30 plus 5. And now we will sum these numbers. So 5 plus 2, 7, 60 plus 30, 90, and 500 plus 300 will give us 800. So what we have got? 800 plus 90 plus 7. See, we are having here two numbers. To add it using expanded form, we will expand each of the number. Here we have expanded 362 and here we have expanded 535. And then we will arrange them in their place value position and then we will add them. So 5 plus 2 will give us 7. 6 plus 3 will give us 60 plus 30 will give us 90. And 300 plus 500 will give us 800. Okay. So what we have got? 800 plus 90 plus 7. Okay. See. 800 plus 90 plus 7 equal to 897. Therefore, 362 plus 535 is equal to 897. Let us understand this further. Here I have taken two numbers, 361 and 527, and we have to add them both. So first we will expand 361. Expanding 361, we will get 300 plus 60 plus 1. And then we will expand 527. Expanding 527, we will get 520 plus 7. See, now 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 2, 60 plus 20, 80, and 500 plus 300, 800. So our answer will be 888. Okay, let us understand this further with more example. Suppose I have to add two numbers, that is 1 23 plus 4 25. So I have to add two numbers, 123 plus 425. Okay. So what we will do first, we will expand 123. Expanding 123, we will get 100 plus 20 plus 3. And expanding 425, we will get 400 plus 20 plus 5. So, let us add them. Now, 5 plus 3, 8, 20 plus 20, 40, and 400 plus 100 will give us 500. Now, 500 plus 40 plus 8. What we will get? We will get 548. Okay. This is easy, no? Okay. Let us understand this with the help of one more example. 2, 1, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay kids, now you help me. What I have to do first? Yes, what I have to do first? I will first have to expand them. So I will start with 213. Let us expand 213. 200 plus 10 plus 3. Now expanding 123. 100 plus 20 plus 3. Okay. And now what we will do? We will add them. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. 10 plus 20 will give us 30. And 200 plus 100 will give us 300. So our answer will be 336. Okay? This is easy, no? Yes. Okay. Let us take one more example. Lily added 134 plus 259 using expanded form. So let us see, 134 will be 100 plus 30 plus 4. And as Lily has written, 100 plus 3 tens plus 4 ones. And 269, 200 plus 5 tens plus 9 ones. So the answer will be 393 when we will add them. Okay. Okay. Let us take one more example. 143 plus 2, 1, 5. Okay now. So 100 plus 40 plus 3. Okay. Then 200 plus 10 plus 5. What we will get? 5 plus 3, 8. 40 plus 10 will give us, 40 plus 10 will give us 50. And 200 plus 100 will give us 300. So our answer will be 358. Okay. Kids, up to now we have See, in all the example where we have arranged the number in column wise method, there is one more method. Let us check that out. Suppose I have to add two numbers, 143 plus 111. So what I have to do? First I will expand the number. So 100 plus 40 plus 3. Now instead of writing 111 in the next column, I can continue from here also. 100 plus 10 plus 1. Okay. Now we will add 100 to 100, tens to tens and ones to ones. Now 100 plus 100 will give us 200. 40 plus 10 will give us 50. And 3 plus 1 will give us 4. Our answer will be 254. Okay. Let us try to do some more question like this. 421 plus 321. So we are doing this method not in column wise. Okay, we are doing this. We are going to do this question in the arranging these number in vertical form. 400 plus 20 plus 1 plus, yes, now we will expand these number. 300 plus 20 plus 1. Now 400 we will add in 300. 400 plus 300 will give us 500, 600, 700. We'll get 700. Now 700 plus 20 plus 20 will give us 40. And 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So our answer will be 742. Kids, you can choose any of these two methods to do the addition using expanded form. Whichever method you found easy, you can choose that method. Okay, now. So now let us take examples from your book. See, 534 plus 214. So here, what they have done, they have just expanded the smaller number. They have 534 plus 214. 534 plus 214, 200 plus 14. And again they have expanded 14 to 10 plus 4. So 734. How they have got 734? 500 plus 200 will give us 734. And then add 734 plus 10 will give us 744. And 744 plus 4 will give us 748. Okay. Let us take one more example. So, this question, 359 and 732. 359 and 732. Let us do it here. 359 and next number was 732. 732. So let us do it. What we will do first? We will expand the number. 300 plus 50 plus 9. Adding to it 700 plus 30 plus 2. Okay. Now we will add 300 and 700. Adding 300 and 700 will give us, yes, 1000. Now 1000 plus, we will add numbers at tens place, 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30 will give us 80. And then 9 plus 2 will give us 11. So 1000 plus 80 plus 11 will give us 91. So our answer will be 1091. See, 1091. Okay kids. So addition using expanded form, we have understand this with the help of many examples. Now let us move toward your book exercise. Today we will do exercise 2.5, question number 1 only. Only question number 1. Add using expanded form. 239 plus 853. 239 plus 853. Let us do this question. What is our question? 239, 853. 239, 853. So 200 plus 30 plus 9. And what we will add here? 800 plus 50 plus 3. What we will get? 9 plus 3 we will get 10, 11, 12. Plus 5 plus 3 we will get 80. And 8 plus 2 we will get 1000. Okay, 8 plus 2, 1000. Now, so 1000 plus 80 plus 12 will give us 80 plus 12 will give us 92. So our answer will be 1092. Okay. Okay kids, now see this question. 122 plus 816, and what you will do? You will expand both the number and then add them in place value manner. Okay kids, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we will start our rounding off. Okay, tomorrow we will do round off.